If you've been getting interrupted by ads while browsing, this quick Opera GX tutorial is going to help you clean things up fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the built-in ad blocker in Opera GX so you can get a smoother, more focused browsing experience in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and find the Easy Setup icon. This is the shortcut that gives you quick access to some of the most useful browser settings without having to dig through menus. Go ahead and click that Easy Setup icon. When the panel opens, scroll down until you reach the Privacy section. In this section, you'll see options related to your browsing protection and privacy controls. Look for the Block Ads setting. This is Opera GX's built-in ad blocking feature, and it can help block many common ads from appearing while you browse. To turn it on, simply click the toggle so it switches to the Enable position. Once it's turned on, Opera GX will start blocking ads automatically as you visit websites. You may notice pages load a little cleaner and faster, with fewer distractions getting in the way. If you want, you can also take a moment to review any other privacy options in the same section, since Opera GX gives you a few extra tools to improve your browsing experience. But for the main goal of this video, all you really needed to do was open Opera GX, access Easy Setup, go to Privacy, and enable Block Ads, and that's it. You've now turned on ad blocking in Opera GX. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how you browse every day. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.